In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule emails in Gmail. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right menu, click on Gmail. In the left side menu, click on Compose. In the To section, give your recipient's email address. Now we have to give it a subject. Let's add test, for example. Now write your email. After you are done, click on the drop-down button beside the Send button. In the pop-up, click on Schedule Send. Here you get some time suggestions, but if you want to add your own time, click on Pick Date and Time. Now you can select your preferred time from here. After selecting your time, click on Schedule Send. Here you can see that my email is scheduled for my selected time. Following these steps, you can schedule your emails easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.